What is up, besties? It's your favorite bestie back on the scene. You already know the deal. If you ain't trying to be my bestie now, you're gonna most definitely want to be my bestie later. So you might as well tell your friends to get with my friends and we can be friends. So I don't know what I was doing in that first clip, but we about to do this head. If y'all can't tell, which y'all should, because y'all should see the thumbnail and the title of this video. Hello, this cute old ponytail. So right now I'm splitting my hair off in half. And I'm sectioning out the back. Usually I was being lazy here, y'all, so I just put my hair in a ponytail. If y'all don't know, I did cut my hair off back in March of 2021. So that thing growing, I could put it in a bun. But anyways, so I'm putting my hair in a bun and then I'm gonna put the cap over it. So I just slick the back. Usually I would braid it down, but I was being lazy, y'all. So now I'm just gonna put the cap on, as y'all see, and then I'm gonna fill to where I'm gonna start putting my liquid cap on, which y'all gonna see. That's the liquid cap I use. I'm gonna put it in the description just because, like, I can't remember the name of it, but I'll just be picking it up by the picture. I'll be remembering it. So as y'all see, I'm feeling for where my part at, so I don't get any of the liquid cap, on the, my ponytail part for my half up, half down. Y'all know what I'm saying. Like, you know what I'm saying. I'm not redoing this whole talking over part, so I'm gonna just keep talking. But anyways, we just gonna put that liquid cap all on the back part of my hair, the part that I put in the low ponytail. I'm gonna put that all on there, and don't worry about the ponytail, either the ponytail, because I'm not using straight hair, I'm using curly hair, so you're not gonna be able to see the ponytail because it's full thick hair. Like, you're not gonna be able to see any of it. So yeah, that's basically all I'm doing in this part. So that's how I just sped it up. It's pretty irrelevant. Usually I would use the little what's it called, the little spatula thing, but I didn't have one, so I just used my finger. Don't judge me, okay? We don't judge over here, besties. If y'all judge me, how y'all my besties if y'all judge me? That's really, really rude. But yeah, that part took forever. I'm telling y'all, this part took forever. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just gonna go in with a blow dryer and blow dry that liquid cap to make sure it's nice and dry. It should kind of feel like paper, but now I'm just gonna go in with my ponytail. Well, I'm about to do my ponytail now, y'all. And I'm about to use my gel. This is the gel that I use. And y'all, I was being so lazy. Usually on clients' heads, and when I used to do like ponytails and stuff like that, I would press my hair out, of course, and then go in with beeswax and stuff. But I was being lazy. I just used gel. And then even if I didn't put gel in my hair, I should have section it off and then put gel in each spot. But I was being real lazy, y'all, so excuse me on that. And now I'm just pulling out my baby hairs and stuff to make sure they don't get pulled and snatched in my edges and stuff. And y'all, when I tell y'all, it took me so long to do this ponytail. Like, I did it like 5 times because it was too tight and it was too loose, and then it wasn't slicking up right. Like, it was bumpy. Like, that's why don't be like me. Do it the right way. Don't be impatient. Don't half-ass do it, because that's what I did. But it still turned out cute. So now I'm just braiding my hair up, and I'm secured with a hair tie, or y'all can use a rubber band. But if you're gonna use a rubber band, put oil on it so you don't pull out your hair and stuff like that. So now I'm just going in with the remainder of my cap that I had cut off, and that's what I'm using to tie around my hair, because you could use like the black neck strips or the white neck strips, whichever ones you use. You could use that, but sometimes I don't like that. Sometimes it makes it too stiff for me, and I was like, I didn't feel like I have some. I just, like I said, I was being lazy, and I didn't feel like going to find them. So I just use this, and it works the same way, probably even better. But anyways, so I just wrap that around my little ponytail, and I could use it too because my hair is short. And now I'm just gonna go in and put that liquid cap all on there, and I secured it with a rubber band. Y'all can see it's blue, obviously, but I'm just gonna put that liquid cap all on there and make sure it's coated good. Make sure it's all on there. Like, there ain't nothing else to do but make sure it's all on there. And after that, yeah, bro, I'm just looking at this and I look like a joystick. Like, have y'all ever had one of those Pac-Man games? Like, I had one when I was younger that you plug into the TV. That's what my hair looked like. That's crazy. But anyways, y'all saw me blow drying. Now I'm about to just place my tracks. And you want to place them in a U form. And I know I didn't show y'all how I laid them. I'll do that when I do it on someone else because it's kind of difficult to show y'all how I lay the tracks on myself. That's just, I gotta get better with. I need more cameras and stuff because y'all know I'm just using my phone. But now I'm gonna go in with the ponytail part, and I start at the tip of my little ponytail, and I just place that on there, and then I'm gonna just start wrapping it down. And some people put the glue on the tracks. I think it's so much easier to just put the glue on, like, you know, your ponytail part. And you know, if you're doing a ponytail, just put it on the actual ponytail and then just wrap the track around it. But be careful with that because you can get like glue in the hair if you're not like paying attention. But yeah, it just makes it way easier and less messy when you just put it directly on the ponytail instead of, you know, all on the track. And so now that y'all see, which is kind of self-explanatory, that's why I kind of skipped through it. Like, I was literally just wrapping it down until I got to the end of my ponytail. And I'm just blow drying it. And you want to blow dry through all your tracks after you have laid them and stuff to make sure that they're dry. And I know y'all can see that white part, but I'm about to cover that up with a piece of hair. So I just grab like a piece of hair from the back from my ponytail, and I just wrap it around. And then before it gets all the way to the end, I put a little bit of hair glue on it, so I make sure that it stays longer. If y'all didn't know, that is a trick to do, and it works amazing because guess what? You're not gonna have a messed up, you know, band or whatever you want to call this, slipping or messing up or, you know, about to come out because has glue on it. Is gonna stay. So you could leave it like this. I decided to take another piece, which y'all are gonna see. I'm taking another piece of hair and just wrapping it up a little higher. I wanted the hair that was wrapped around just to be a little bit higher. It's, you know, it's your own liking, your own preference. Like, this was cute, you know, she looked cute like that, but me, I just wanted it up a little bit higher, not like extremely higher, but just a little bit. She looked crazy just because she ain't got no water or nothing on it. Y'all gonna see at the end, I'm gonna insert some clips of what it looked like, you know, when it's wet and stuff, just because when I was done doing my hair, y'all, I was tired and I was ready to go to bed. Like, I had attitude too because I was getting frustrated. But tell me if y'all be doing this. Oh yeah, put wax on there, beeswax, or if you got a wax stick, put that on there. It's gonna make it so much easier, shinier. When you're wrapping your hair, it just makes it look so much neater. And yes, usually you would press out this part, but y'all see that it's gonna get wrapped. It's fine. Okay, I'm telling y'all, it's fine. It does not need to be pressed. It does not need to be straightened. And I wasn't about to go look for my straightener either because I was not keeping this hair in for long. I was only keeping it in for like a week. That was it. But this isn't like beauty supply store hair. I forgot where I got this hair from. If I could find it, I'll put it in the description. If not, I'm sorry. But yeah, this is basically the end of the video, you guys. So I hope you guys love this video. There's more videos on the way, you know, like I told y'all, we coming consistent. 2022, it's my year, it's our year, and we just doing our thing, staying consistent, staying on our ball, and that's all that it is to it, period. But for real, guys, thank you so much if you made it this far to my video. I really appreciate it. Like, y'all really don't know how much it means to me when I see y'all commenting on my stuff. So please comment what other hairstyles y'all want me to do. I will do them the right way. Like, I'll show them exactly how to do them. I'm gonna stop being lazy. You know, it's we a work in progress, you know. But let me know in the comments. I really do love seeing you guys' comments and, you know, being motivational and stuff like that. That really be making me keep going doing my videos, make me feel like I'm doing the right thing. So just keep commenting and keep watching the videos that I post because I really do appreciate it. Ooh, you see how that girl looking? Yeah, see, I wet it a little bit, but not too much. But y'all see, I be talking all over the place. Ooh, yeah, now we about to just do them edges. Y'all see them edges, girl? Go play with your man, but don't play with me. But anyways, y'all really don't know how much I really do appreciate y'all watching my videos. So please just share this, leave me comments. I don't care what your comments, honestly. I reply back to all my comments. Send me DMs, follow me on all my social medias. TikTok and Instagram is the main place I be on. I don't be on Twitter like that. I just think Twitter is very toxic, but we're gonna try to get on there. I'm gonna try. I don't be on Snapchat either like that. Maybe a little bit, but mainly be on Instagram and TikTok. So if you want to really, talk to me and stuff, just get on there. I'm gonna start going live and stuff, so we could be talking to each other and do lives together. But thank you guys so much for watching again. I know I say this so much all the time, but I really, 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 really do appreciate each and every single one of you guys. I love you so much. I hope y'all have a blessed day. And just remember never to give up on your dreams. No dream is too big to accomplish. Always keep that in mind. Never give up. No, never let anyone put fear in your mind. Always walk with faith, never fear. Thank you guys so much. Love you.